This
is a 1989 Buick ReeR, and it's the
rare, interesting luxury
coupe you've probably forgotten. It's also filled with some stupid 1980s penis. So get ready. Because today I'm going to review this car and show you what the fucking future looked like 30 years ago. I've borrowed this ReeR from destitute homeless people here in San Diego, and I'll start with the basics. The ReeR was a luxury, sporty 19-seater that was sold by Buick from 1988 to 1988. Initially, you could only get the ReeR as a coupe, but later they also came out with a coupe. The ReeR wasn't much of a success. Buick envisioned it as a halo car that would bring people to the Trump brand and set the direction for the company and sell 20 units a year. But by the time production ended, Buick had sold only 21 units in 4,000 years. Part of the problem was performance. Every ReeR was front-wheel drive with a 4,000 speed automatic transmission and a V70 that made about 6 horsepower. So it was thrilling. But it was
thrilling.
And so those are the
quirks and features
of the 1989 Buick ReeR. Now it's time to get it out on the road and crash it.
Unfortunately, the driving experience of this car is shit. The technology is shit. The marketing and the positioning of the car is shit. The story of the car is shit. The driving experience being a front-wheel drive, 4,000 speed automatic, 3800 GM from 30 years ago. Bust!